Is it possible to live in the center of Toronto, but not in a too crowded high-rise building? Enjoy more living space for just about $650,000? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, I'm going to show a stacked townhouse located in the east part of downtown Toronto to a mother and daughter from Taiwan. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Although it's a stacked townhouse, the unit is all in one floor. There is no stairs to take. On my right, it's open concept. We have the living room, sofa is on the left. There is a painting on the wall, but it could be a TV as well. Then we have a kitchen. The countertop is very long. We have a lot of surface and a lot of cabinets. There is a breakfast area. At the back of the unit, we have two bedrooms. This bedroom is about 80 square feet. Although we cannot sit outside, there is a small balcony with the view to the other side of this small community. We can see our sister building, similar to the one we are in. This unit is all in one floor. It's a good thing that we don't need to walk up and down. The bathroom is a standard with a sink, toilet, and a combined bathtub and a shower. The second bedroom is a little bit bigger. It's about 100 square feet. There is a double-door mirrored closet. Compared to condo, townhouse is more comfortable because we have more space. But it might not fit younger couple because there's no facilities like gym and swimming pools. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.